Now in this video I will show you that how to display margins in Canva. You know, Canva, like when we add pages, so the pages have margin like by default, but how we can see them or how we can show them. Like if I add a rectangle here, you can see, and if I try to move this object like here, so you can see now the margin is showing like from top, from right and bottom and left. You can see a margin is appearing here. This is page margin. So if I want to show, if I want to see it permanently, like without moving this object, so how you can do, like we can go to file section and settings and show margins. So now you can see margins will appear in your page, in your document, so you can easily align your objects as per or according to this margin. So thank you so much for watching this video. We have learned in this video like how to display margins in Canva, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.